Hello everyone, this is David. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a screen on a Acer Aspirant 1 D250. First thing you guys are going to have to do is remove these little caps, if you can see there, that are covered in these little front screws here. You remove those and then take off these screws first. Okay, now once you guys remove the two screws, like I just did here, see that? These are little screws that came out of it. You're gonna wanna get like a flathead or something to pull this out right here. But you guys gonna have to be really gentle with this because this could crack easy. As to these are very cheap, you can say, the covers. I'm actually using one of these little flatheads to pull out the edges here. Also, there's two screws in the top, one there and one over here. Gotta take those out. So once you unscrewed everything, just pop it out. Okay, then you got the screen there. What you want to do next is unscrew the little screws in the side of the screen. There's one, two there, three on each side. Just get your screwdriver. Alright, so once you remove the two screws in the side here and the two screws in the front, you pull it out and you need to pull out the ribbon from the back. You gotta be very careful with these because they do rip easy. Make sure you take out the little tape that it has here before you pull out the ribbon because you could yank it all out and it could break the ribbon. I'm actually trying to record this while working on it. It's kind of hard for me to use one hand. But I'm used to this. Alright, so I took out the broken screen. As you can see, it's all damaged up. You see a screen like this, yep, it's cracked inside and it doesn't work. That means you need a new replacement. So I got this other screen here that I'm gonna put on. I took it off another computer that wasn't working. Bad motherboard, so I just grabbed all the parts out. Same process here, installing it. I grabbed the ribbon and connect it here. So make sure it's all the way in like that. And then you screw it back on to its stay. Make sure it's perfectly outlined with the little metal panels here. And you just put the screws on the side so that way you can hold it up. So once you screwed on the sides here, just pop up the back and then screw it back on the top. Make sure to have the top connected to the little black piece like that. The little black piece connected, and then you put the screw on the right side of the panel here. Same thing with the other side. Okay, after you screwed it back on, you can put the cover back on. usually clips on. Just be really gentle with it. Once you clip it back on, make sure it's nicely tight all around. Put the screws back on. And that is how you replace a screen on an Acer. If you want, you can put the tops back on. These little things like this. But I don't like to put these on. These are a pain to take off. You need to get like some type of XO knife or something. Flathead. Pull these off is a pain. I leave them off. You don't really need to put them on. Anyways, feel free to like my video and contact us if you need any help. Bye bye.